This is the Allure Penthouse in One Tagaytay. So they have that. I don't know what this is. So they have a dining table, one master bedroom and one bedroom pa. Aircon. This is the living room. So andun yung TV pala. Ayan, may dining dito. So spacious naman siya. Ang ganda ng ng masters. O, tingnan mo. Room tour natin. Ayan. Ito na yung masters. Okay. Wala palang CR yung masters. Asan yung CR? Shared. Hindi alam ko may sariling CR eh. Ito ang masters. Ito pala yung masters kasi mas malaki. At may sarili siyang bathroom.
Mas gusto mo dito?
Yes.
Si mama dapat dito kasi may bathroom na malapit.